welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you one of the most visited places here in Switzerland. For those who don't know me, my name is May Bangerter and I am Filipina based in Switzerland. Currently here in Munot. Munot is a famous place to visit here in Schaffhausen, and now it's Corona time, and that's why not too much people is coming here. But usually summer and when there's no Corona, there's a lot of people who's coming here and visit these places. And yeah, these places is actually really so quiet for now and not too much people. And here in Schaffhausen you can find the IWC watches, and they make it here. And actually we cannot go to this place because it's Corona time. And a museum, I guess they have a museum there, and you can maybe check the watches over there. I will show you where the rainfall is, and yeah, it's actually currently, I don't know, 10 degrees here, and it's a bit fresh and it's not sunny right now. And yeah, and I'll show you where it is. rainfall, as you can see is my background. It's really nice here, and it's really cold, and yeah, it's a bit foggy this time over here, and yeah, it could be nice if you guys also visit this place. When there's no corona, you can ride a boat and you can go to this middle of the waterfall. What you can find or what you can do here in rainfall, you can actually sit here, eat in the park. There's a children's playground. There's 2 restaurants here. When the restaurant is open, you can actually dine in here, you can eat here, and it's really a nice place to come here. But for now, it's a bit cold and it's a bit foggy, and you cannot, you cannot enjoy so much here in this time because it's cold, and you cannot eat in the park, and it's really nice. And as you can see, there's a lot of people here, and they come from different countries. They visited this place. It's actually famous place here in Switzerland that you can visit, and that's it. that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video and enjoy it. And I hope one day you can also come here and visit this place. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification when I post a new video. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye!